Hello and welcome to another What's On Eating Challenge. Today we're at Tony Roma's in Dubai to eat delicious, juicy, sticky ribs smothered in barbecue sauce from a recipe that is nearly 40 years old.
We were going to do a race to the finish, but having just been in the kitchen and seen the size of the plate, we think it's going to be a case of last man standing with this one. So good luck, Rob.
Good luck, Matt. Bring on the ribs. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Right.
Where'd I go?
I'm going top right.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, they're good.
I sort of thought I would be able to do it.
Is that number 2?
Uh-huh.
It's on 2?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you think about the 30-second time penalty for each napkin used?
I'm not. No napkins. Napkins are the loser's way out.
Oh, this one's easy.
That's the length of your
Not
face.
bad, that. Strikes me the sort of place you don't come when you're wearing a white shirt.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, fine.
Hope it was a half-time report.
Half-time report, they're very, very nice.
How do you feel the first half went, Matt? And what will you try and do in the second half?
I'd like to...
Are you worried?
No, I'm fine. It's a game of two halves after all. I think I might take a napkin.
Go on, take the napkin.
Okay, I've done it.
He's done it!
Okay.
Still got a bit on the cheek. I've got no strength left in my fingers.
It's a good 15 minutes.
It's...
Oh!
No, not very good.
Is that it? You just all over your face.
I don't want to clench my fist because it will just go over it.
Rob, congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I give you the victor of the Tony Roma Rib-Off Challenge.
10 of them.
Very impressed.
I'm not washing my hands for a week.
I now cannot show my face in the office for several days. Well done, Rob.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Tony Roma's, for supplying these wonderful,
Tremendous ribs.
juicy, sticky ribs.
We challenge any of you, and we recommend you do, but let us know if anybody can come down and do all 10 with less fuss than I made of it and beat Rob, because that's an impressive feat. Thank you, Tony Romas.
Thank you. Just go and lie down.
Let me get this for you.
Thank you.